बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम. There is Mr. Tariq Ziaratgul with us. आज हमने थोड़ा सा नेटिवली स्पीकिंग एक्सेंट है उसको इम्प्रूव करना है, जैसे नेटिव्स बोलते हैं, चाहे न्यूजीलैंड में हो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंग्लैंड और यूरोप, वट एवर वेयर एवर यू आर. हमने इसको थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव करना है, वो भी इस डायलॉग की हेल्प से. सो हाउ यू देयर मिस्टर तारिक?
I'm great, thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm also good. So, Mr. Tariq, should we start?
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Okay. There you can see there is a dialogue that is telling us many things in its rows and lines. The first line that is telling in clear way, that is, hello, my name is Emran. Welcome to our university. In other way, we can shorten it. We can say, hello, my name is Emran. Welcome to our university. Would you please practice this line?
Okay. Hello, my name is Emran. Welcome to our university.
Yeah, here we connect welcome with the to, like this way. Instead of to, we say it ta. Welcome to. Could you say it? Welcome to?
Welcome to our university.
Yeah, welcome to a university. Welcome to university.
Welcome to university.
Yes,
Welcome to
exactly.
university.
Welcome to a university. Right? It's clear?
Yes.
Okay, so my name is Imran. Instead of saying my name is Imran, we can say my name is, my name is, my name is. Would you practice this word? My name is?
My name is. My name is.
Okay.
My name is.
Hello, my name is Imran. Welcome to our university.
Hello, my name is Emran. Welcome to our university.
Okay. Now the next line. Hi, I'm Tariq.
Hi, I'm Tariq.
I'm.
Tariq.
The next is an important line. That one is also important. Like nice to, we should say nice to. What?
Nice to.
Nice to. Nice to meet you. Not meet, meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, exactly. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
In the next line, nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, let's repeat this one. Hello, my name is Imran. Welcome to our university.
Hello, my name is Emran. Welcome to our university.
Hi, I'm Tariq.
Hi, I'm Tariq.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
The next line that says, where are you from, Tariq? Where are? Where are? Where?
Where are?
Yeah, where are you from? Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yes, could you
Where are
please?
you from?
Yes, that's great. Would you please tell?
Where are you from?
Oh, that's great. I'm from New Zealand. How about you?
I'm from New Zealand. What about you?
Okay, how about
you?
how about you?
How about you? How about you?
That's an easier one. How about you? Instead, how about, we must say how about you? How about you?
How about you?
That's great. I'm from Pakistan.
I'm from Pakistan.
Is this your first time in London?
Is this your first time in London?
No, I've been living here. I've been living here. Living, not living. Living. And then living in. Right? Living in.
Okay. No, I have been living in.
Yes, that's great. Now, connect.
No, I have been
Living in.
no. No, I been living in London for 3 years now.
No, I've been living in here for about 3 years now.
I have been living in London for about 3 years now.
Okay, I see. Have you been studying here for all the time? Here, all that time. That, not that. That time. That time.
I see. Have you been studying here for all the time?
Yes, that's great. Pretty good effort. Studying here, here for all the time, all the time.
All the time.
Yes, for all the time. Here for all the time.
Yeah.
Now,
I see.
Yeah.
I see.
Come on.
Shall I repeat?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No, I have been living in London for about 3 years now. And next is I see. Have you seen study here for all the time?
Okay. Let me repeat again also for you. Now I've been living in London for about 3 years now. I see. Have you been studying here for all the time?
No, I have been living in London for 3 years now.
For about.
I see.
For about 3.
For about 3 years now. I see. Have you been studying here for all the time?
Yes, that's great. For all the time. Yes, this is my 3rd year here. I've got one more year to go.
Yes, this is my 3rd year here. I have got one more year to go.
To go. Okay, the next line you would say.
What are you studying?
In other way.
What are you studying?
Yes, that's great. What are you studying? What are you studying?
So we have here two accents in New Zealand. One is a Kiwi, one is a Maori. When you saying in like a Maori, so they say they not use like they speak the way they speak. It's so fast. So they say, "What are you saying? What are you studying? What are you studying?"
Okay.
Yes. They're not gonna say, "What are you studying?" They say, "What are you studying?" Like we you.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's so worth noting. Thank you. I appreciate you. The next one, I'm studying English literature.
I'm studying English literature.
Okay, the next word is so specific for us. That word is I want to, but we can say I want to, but sometimes we don't say wanta, we say wanna. Instead of T, we skip the T sound, wanna. Like wanta, wanna. No need to say T and O, just say wanna. I wanna be a linguist.
I wanna be a linguist.
I wanna be a linguist. How about you?
I wanna be linguist. How about you?
How about you?
How about you?
I want to. Instead, what should we say?
I wanna.
Yeah.
I wanna be
And
a
why
linguist.
it became wanna? Because we don't use want to, we say wanta. But instead wanta, we also skip the T, so it becomes like wanna. I wanna be a linguist.
Yeah. I gotta go.
Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go. Like trying to, tryna, want to, wanna, going to, gonna.
Yeah.
Similarly, want to, wanna. And then how about you?
How about you?
How about you? Not how about you. We can skip the T sound, but how about, how about.
How about you?
That's great effort. Sounds cool. Instead, sounds. we should say sounds. No need to say D sound. Sounds cool. I wanna be a school teacher. Wanna, not want to. I wanna be a school teacher. How? Would you please say
Should
it?
I try now?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds cool. I wanna be school teacher.
How about Kiwi accent?
Kiwi accent is like sounds cool. Cool.
Yeah.
C is like cool. They put the stress on it, so like cool, man.
Okay.
It sounds cool.
That's great.
Sound
How about they say the sound sounds cool?
like sounds. Then it says like sounds cool. They all the time say sounds great. Sounds great, man.
Okay.
Sounds great.
Okay.
Yeah, sounds cool. Yeah, when they say like when they says oh I see, like we say oh I see, they say oh cool. Yes. Yeah.
The next line, how do they say in Kiwi?
Yeah, in the Kiwi I say sounds cool. Sounds cool.
And the next line here?
And I wanna be a school teacher.
Okay.
Teacher.
Okay. The next line?
Next line is that's great. That's great.
That's great.
That's great.
Okay.
That's great.
That's really cool. That's great. That's. So it means we no need to use T sound here. That's great. That's great. Right?
That's great. That's great. Like this.
Yeah.
That's great.
One more, please. That's great.
That's great.
Okay. But what?
I think they are not using. I think they're not using S. They're great. That's great. That's great. Sometimes they're not using the S.
Yeah.
But sometimes some people, because everyone have different kind of accent. So like someone says that's great, man, and someone says that's great, man. So like some people they are using S, some people they're not using S. Like that's great, and some people say that's great, bro, that's great, man. Yes.
Okay, but we are trying to learn something more. We are gonna improve it. Thank you for adding some information inside it. The next line that says I've always wanted, it's not wanted. Similarly, like we are skipping T in many words like want to, we can skip it here from want also. So we might say wanted. So wanted, right? Wanted. Okay. I've always wanted to study abroad.
I have always want to study abroad.
This one is second form of the verb wanted. So we cannot skip it. We should say wanted, and then wanted. Yeah, wanted to study abroad. Right? Study abroad. Yeah.
Okay. I have always I have always wanted to study abroad.
Wanted. Don't
wanted
say
to.
wanted.
Say
wanted.
Wanted.
And then wanted. ये टा साउंड क्यों आया? क्योंकि टू था तो हमने टा कर दिया. Wanted.
Yes.
Study abroad. So I came to London. It's like this one. Flexibility. Came to London.
I came to London.
Yeah.
Came to London.
Came to London. I came to London.
I came to London.
Nice.
They always they use the C sound K. Like I came to London.
Yeah,
Came to
yeah.
London.
And also the
Yeah.
ending sound is not came to, it is came to London.
Came to London.
Next one is nice. Yeah, I love it here. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Nice. Yes. Nice. Yeah. Over here.
Come again, please. Your voice is choppy.
Okay.
Now, fine.
So it's a nice. Like nice. Yeah. I love it here.
Yes. If you want to make it more beautiful, or you wanna beautify further, you can say love it here. Love it here. Like this. Love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah.
So this word was yeah, I
Yeah.
love it here. Then I told you to make it love it, and then you told me into Kiwi lovey. I love here. I love it. I love it here. Like that?
Yes. Yeah. When we use nice or yeah or nah or like the way they speak. So like they say yeah nice nice. Yeah, I love it here. I love it here. Sometimes some people they pronounce like t and like love it, and some say love it. Nice. Yeah, I love it here.
That's great. The way they jump into their tongue, huh? I love it.
Yes, like the way
Okay.
like the end like here this the end like sound is like so low like here I love it here.
That's
Yeah.
great. Could you please say it for 5 times? I love it here.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, I love it here. Yeah, I love it here. Nice. Yeah, I love it here.
Okay. Okay. I love it here. Fine.
Yes,
Only say I love it here again.
I love it here.
Okay. So our viewers will be really getting help from you also. I'm actually planning to live here even after I graduate.
I'm
I'm
actually planning to
actually
live here even
okay.
after. You want me to repeat?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. I'm actually planning to live here even after I graduate.
Okay, there I found one thing that is even after, not even after. It's even after, even after, like that. Here, even after I graduate.
Even after. Even
Yes,
after.
so
Yes,
flexible you
it sound
are.
like yes, yes, yeah.
Thank you for understanding my problem. So, Mr. Tarek, there is like a perfect. You are already from Europe, right? What about this
Yes.
sound from?
Um, your voice is
Okay, the
echoing.
next line that
I
is
could not.
perfect. How do you say perfect? Perfect.
Perfect, perfect,
Okay.
perfect, perfect.
Uh-huh. And the next line?
Uh, like perfect, and after that you're already from Europe, so it shouldn't be that difficult for you.
Okay, it shouldn't be that difficult for you. For you. Uh, Now let me decorate it. Not that. We said that shouldn't be that difficult for you, right?
Yes, like D is they pronounce the D very hardly. Yeah, so they put the stress on it. Like it shouldn't be that difficult for you.
Thank
Yeah,
you. It
difficult
shouldn't be
for
that
you.
difficult for you. So,
Yeah,
Mr.
like difficult.
Tariq, the next line where we jump over. Yeah, I will just need to convince my parents. What about you? What about you? This sound is so beautiful and smooth and soothing. What about you? What about you? Not what about you? What about you?
Yeah.
Right?
Should I repeat now?
Yeah.
Should I repeat now? Okay. Yeah, yeah. I will just need to convince my friend parents. What about you?
Okay. What if we skip any kind of T in What about, we can say what about you? What about you?
Yes, like what about you? What
Okay.
about you? What about you?
In Kiwi way,
About you.
what about you? What? That's fine, huh? Isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes. Of course, yes. Yeah.
Can I jump next?
Hmm.
The next one that says,
Yes.
I love London, but I'm just here for school.
I love London. I love London, but I am just here for school.
I will need to go back once I graduate anyway.
I will need to go back once I graduate anyway.
I see. Well, good luck to you. I have to go to class now. It was nice talking with you.
I see. Well, good luck to you. I have to go class now. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you. Okay, thank you, you too, and have a good one.
Thank you, you too, and have a good one.
Okay, let's have last attempt here to talk on this dialogue. I'm Emran and you are Tariq, right? Let's fascinate it.
Yes, I am.
Hello, my name is Emran. Welcome to our university.
Hi, I'm Tariq.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Tariq?
I'm from New Zealand. How about you?
I'm from Pakistan. Is it okay? It's your turn.
Is this your first time in London?
No, I've been living in London for about 3 years now.
I see. Have you been studying here for all the time?
Yeah, this is my third year here. I've got one more year to go.
What are you studying?
I'm studying English literature. I want to be a linguist. How about you?
Sounds cool. I wanna be teacher.
That's great.
I have always wanted to be study abroad, so I came to London.
Nice. Yeah, I love it here. I'm actually planning to live here even after I graduate.
Perfect. You're already from Europe, so it shouldn't be that difficult for you.
Okay, yeah. I will just need to convince my parents. What about you?
I love London, but I'm for school. I will need to go back once I graduate anyway.
I see. Well, good luck to you. I have to go to class now. It was nice talking with you.
Thank you, you too, and have a good one.
Okay, have a good one too. Thank you so much, Mr. Tariq, for having time with me. Our viewers will be really enjoying here. We will be here daily to help them, to enlighten them with the new knowledge of English speaking, with the rules, with the native speaking, or something like that. Are you glad today?
Yeah, I'm so happy, and I'm really appreciate you to give me a chance for talking to you,
Okay,
and I'm so happy.
thank you.